Tired of electric tricycles promising big range, but falling short? I researched 23 electric tricycles and filtered the ones that actually deliver real-world range and value for money. What I found about battery performance under load will save you from buying a trike that leaves you stranded. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we have the ANCHEER 350W folding electric tricycle. And for this spot, the word that keeps coming up is entry level. But that's not a knock. If balance has ever been a concern, or you just want a stable, practical machine for errands and neighborhood rides, a folding e-trike that doesn't stretch the budget is exactly what this is. The 3-wheel setup gives you peace of mind right away. You can stop, park, load up without thinking about tipping. The motor is 350 watts nominal, with a peak at 600. That's honest power for flat ground and moderate inclines. Don't expect it to blast up steep hills under full load, but the throttle mode handles most real-world terrain without much drama. Pair that with a 499 watt-hour battery on a 48-volt system, which gives you around 2 hours of continuous riding, and you've got enough range for most short to medium trips. There's something worth knowing about the riding modes. 6 levels, including a full manual option and a proper full electric mode. Cruise control kicks in above 6 miles per hour. That's the kind of feature you appreciate on longer rides, when you just want to settle in and stop thinking about the controls. Now, the honest part, battery management matters here. Someone who rode this daily for 14 months found the battery stopped taking a charge. That's not unusual for lithium packs, but it's a real reminder. Don't drain it to zero and don't leave it on the charger overnight. Treat the battery right, and it holds up. The instruction manual isn't great. If you're comfortable around bikes, you'll be fine. But total beginners might want to lean on assembly videos online and plan a quick trip to a local bike shop for brake adjustment after delivery. Assembly runs about 20 minutes. The seat accommodates riders, from kids up to nearly 6 feet tall. And people who've kept at it for over a year confirm the frame stays solid with regular use. For a first e-trike, foldable, practical, honest specs, this is a reasonable place to start. The link is in the description. Number 4 on the list is the CroSight electric folding trike. And if battery range has been a real frustration on a trike before, this one is worth your attention. Here's the issue with a lot of electric trikes. The battery just isn't big enough. You head out for a ride and end up cutting it short. One owner here described it clearly. Her previous trike maxed out at 12 to 13 miles per charge. Her husband had to tow her home more than once. That's not a minor inconvenience. That's a real problem. The CroSight addresses this directly. The 48-volt, 20-amp-hour battery delivers 960 watt-hours of capacity. That's genuinely substantial for a folding trike. Real-world riders are reporting around 50 miles on a charge. Not the best-case manufacturer figure. 50 miles in actual use. For most people doing errands or leisure rides, that's more than enough for several days. The 750-watt motor delivers strong acceleration. One thing worth knowing up front, the throttle response is quick. People nicknamed this one Zippy for a reason. It takes a few rides to feel natural, but once you're past that learning curve, it becomes an advantage on hills and headwinds. There's something in the accessories package that often gets overlooked. A protective cover, bike lock, electric pump, and phone holder all come included, plus a built-in sound system with a USB port on the handlebars. Nothing flashy, but you're not scrambling to buy extras on day one. One honest weak point, the manual. Changing display settings, switching from kilometers to miles, configuring the throttle isn't straightforward. Customer service was responsive for the people who needed help, but that clarity should have been in the manual from the start. It's UL certified, folds down for storage or transport in an SUV, and the fat tires handle wet and uneven terrain without drama. For someone moving up from a wobbly, limited range trike, this is a meaningful upgrade. The link is in the description. Number 3 on the list is the MOONCOOL 500-watt folding electric trike, and it earns that spot with a combination you don't always see together, a folding frame and hydraulic disc brakes on the same machine. Let me start where the design actually matters. If you've had a scare on 2 wheels or balance has become a real concern, this is built for that. 3-wheel stability, a step-through frame, and a rear differential. That last feature lets each wheel rotate independently through turns. In practice, the trike doesn't fight you through corners or drag awkwardly on curves. That's a genuinely smart piece of engineering for what this costs. The motor runs at 500 watts rated, 1000 watts peak. That gives solid acceleration from a standstill and real torque on moderate hills. Top speed is 15.5 miles per hour, right for errands, trails, and neighborhood rides. Battery is a 48-volt, 15-amp-hour pack, UL certified. Claimed range sits between 35 and 70 miles. One larger rider confirmed over 50 miles on a single charge. That matters because real-world range always shrinks under load. Some riders on hillier terrain saw faster drain. Realistically, plan on 40 to 50 miles under normal conditions. Here's what I think is the most underrated detail. It folds. Most trikes don't. If you're in a small apartment or garage, that changes the whole ownership picture. Same if you want to load it into a van or RV. Payload capacity is 450 pounds, which handles most cargo situations. A couple of honest notes. The fenders are on the lighter side and have dented with minor contact. Mirrors aren't included. Plan to add those right away. And cornering needs respect. Slow down before turns, rather than leaning in like on a two-wheeler. Folding convenience, hydraulic brakes, and serious payload capacity. This earns its number 3 spot. You'll find the link in the description. At number 2, we've got the VIRIBUS 26-inch electric tricycle. And the reason it lands this high comes down to how well it understands its audience. This is built for people who want to ride, not manage a machine. No derailleur, no shifting to think about. Single speed, 3 riding modes, and you're done. That kind of simplicity carries real weight, especially if balance concerns or joint issues are part of the picture. The step-through frame is a genuine design win. Getting on without swinging a leg over a high crossbar matters when you're thinking about daily use. Now, the motor, 250 watts nominal, peaking at 500. Top speed sits at 15.5 miles per hour, which is honest for a three-wheeler. Where I'd watch closely is on steeper hills with a full basket. A front hub motor at this power level handles gentle grades fine, but expect to contribute some pedaling on anything more serious. Battery is where this earns its position on the list. 36 volts, 13 amp hours. Claimed range is 31 miles on full throttle. In real mixed use, mid-20s is a reasonable expectation. For grocery runs and neighborhood rides, that range is not a concern. That rear basket carries up to 110 pounds. Groceries, a small dog, a market haul. That is real working capacity, not a styling detail. One early owner described it as lightweight, good battery, no derailleur to worry about. 3 things. That short summary tells you this trike actually delivers on its core promise. The honest caveat is single speed setup. Flat routes and moderate inclines, no problem. Genuinely hilly terrain will expose that limitation over time. For stability, simplicity, and solid everyday range, this is a strong pick. The link is in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Taking the top spot, and honestly, I think this one earns it. The Narrak 1350W electric fat trike is the kind of product that makes sense once you understand who it's built for. If you've ever dealt with balance issues, joint problems, or just wanted the confidence of 3 wheels under you, this is exactly what you need. The 3-wheel setup alone solves a real problem, but what separates this from cheaper trikes is the engineering underneath. The motor runs at 750 watts nominal with peaks up to 1350 watts. That peak matters when you're loaded up or hitting an incline. And here's the detail I find genuinely smart. The differential system. The rear wheels turn at different speeds through corners, instead of dragging together. It sounds minor, but it means the trike actually handles like it should, not like something fighting you on every turn. Battery is 48 volts and 13 amp hours, UL certified, in real-world use. One rider ran 28 miles on pedal assist level 1 with plenty of starts and stops, and still had roughly 30% left. That's a meaningful data point. The advertised 50 miles isn't just a lab number. 6 levels of pedal assist plus 7 gears gives you a lot of control over how much effort you put in. The 4-inch fat tires handle gravel, dirt, and wet surfaces well. The built-in lights are visible even in daylight, and the hydraulic brakes are a step above what most trikes in this range offer. Now, watch out for this. The trike weighs around 110 pounds. You won't be lifting it into a car alone. Plan on a hitch carrier. Also, to remove the battery, you have to take the seat off first. Not a deal breaker, but it's annoying if you want to bring it inside to charge. And keep it on flat pavement and gentle trails. Steep off-road grades are genuinely risky on this frame. Customer service from Narrak has come up repeatedly as responsive and actually helpful. For a brand at this price point, that matters. For value, stability, and real-world range, this is the most well-rounded trike on this list. The link is in the description. You've got the full picture now. Which trikes actually deliver on their specs and which ones don't. If simplicity and value per dollar are the priority, number 2, no gears, step-through frame, lowest price on the list. If real-world range is the concern, number 4 is 50 miles. A charge is hard to beat. For the most well-rounded trike overall, number 1 earns that spot. Prices shift on these. The current links are all in the description.